Hi, this is Dalene with McDonald's Sewing and Vacuum, and everybody's working on face masks right now, and I thought I'd show you one of my favorite tools for dealing with those thicknesses of fabric that you have to deal with once we get into, if you're making this style with pleats. So my favorite little tool is well, Viking calls this a multi-purpose tool. It's called a button reed sometimes. It's got a great benefit. It's got actually a little hole in here, and you can use it to put your needle in there and then put your needle into your machine. It's a really great little tool for that. But it also has another use that I want to show you. So I have my mask all set up to do the pleats on it, and I'm at the machine, and I'm going to show you how this little tool can help you. So I'm going to put my mask under the needle, and I like to use this feature on this machine. It's called needle down position, and what that does is when the machine stops, it'll stop with the needle down so that my project doesn't move around. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but the foot is up just a little bit, raised up a little bit in the front, and so I'm going to put this tool in behind the needle under the back of the foot, so it raises that foot up and it makes it level. Then I can go ahead and start sewing, and it's going through that thing pretty well. Let me give it a little more help here. There we go. Not perfect, but you know, I'm often not perfect. Now I'm going to do a reverse, and it even works in reverse. You can just sew right to the edge of that cord. And now I'm going to go forward again, just to kind of make sure that that cord is in there. Whoops, I got my, there we go. I got my, I took my needle, or my tool out too soon. Okay, and now I can take my needle out, or my pins out as I go. And I'm not really feeling the need to use that tool yet for the pleats. We're just kind of going right through them pretty well. And I get to my last pin, take that out. But I'm coming upon another one of those cords. So just to make it a little easy, I'm just going to stick that tool, multi-purpose tool, back there, and I'm going to leave it under there so I can go in reverse. Excuse my hand. Here, let me do that. There, get my hand out of the way. And there we go. No problem. All right. Let me try the other side and see if I can do it a little more smoothly now. So I'm going to put my needle down, and I'm going to slide the tool. Actually, I'm going to try the thicker side this time and see if that helps more. So I'm going to go forward. Whoops, I got the reverse on. Let's go forward. Oh, nope. I pulled my tool out too soon. It's me, not the machine. So there we go. Now it's going. And usually I just let it drop down like that. But I'm going to go do a reverse over that cording. Okay, and we'll go back forward again. Across there, get it under there a little bit more. There we go. A little bit more. It's not quite ready to give up. There we go. Okay, and now I can take my pins out as I go. Some people don't need pins. I'm not one of those people, not for this project. And I'm going across those folds pretty well. And here we go. I'm back to the cord again, and it's kind of stuck there. So I'm going to lift my foot up and slide the tool in and go forward. No problem. Now I'm going to keep it there and go in reverse and leave it there and go forward. And there we go. I got across all that wonderful cording with no problem.